city on, out of respect high. I try to ball hard like Kobe shot, you can't check.
Race night?
Uh-oh. Race night?
Yo, these niggas funny. They trying to take the nigga car. Somebody don't want to come clean their van.
I'm only on 27 pounds.
That's
Off-road and on the streets with mud tires.
right now.
Right now.
Damn.
Goddamn, that's motherfucking All American. That's Bald Eagle straight above that motherfucker right now.
Right now you got your money on. Why you doing the race down too? Hey, this nigga look like he about to kill us. Oh. Alright, tell me we're gonna get back to the race.
We're gonna get back to the race. They're gonna line up down on the road then. Chill out, they gonna turn into me. Hey, you dropped that. Hey, bro, you dropped that. Nature look. Knee slap. Oh my God, man.
What you gotta say, bro? You gotta give
I'm finna tax this $60,000 BMW M3 competition with this old fucking 37-year-old Honda Civic.
Nah, he about to ride solo.
Yo, right now, bro, tell me what's about to finna happen.
Right now,
I'm about to pass that nigga while he's doing like this.
yeah. We're gonna be like,
With AC.
With AC?
no, we don't need AC. You
don't need AC?
Turn it off, bro. You don't gotta turn it off. You don't gotta let off the gas.
Got the slicks on?
Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. You better stay with him.
What's going on right here? Your reflex is fast, bro. Your
I was told to come check your shorts. Are you good? Oh, I'm good. I was out the way.
Why you trying to take the leg?
How much you pay him?
How much you pay him?
Yo, they scared.
Damn, somebody got hit.
Come on, bro.
You gotta throw it in R when you're racing.
Yo, what are you doing? Uploading your tunes, bro?
He's texting Doc Vu right now. Doc Vu, Doc Vu.
Say it bounced like it's a fucking yeah, I was gonna say. We are ready, good to go. Goddamn.